Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are doing a game. I'm gonna get some more people to do the game. First, I have to see my sister on the game. Let's see. She said no, so what we're gonna do in the game? No. I thought for a second this was my house and I wasn't ready. Look at my tap necklace. So there's a YouTuber named Tap. He got this necklace and he's honestly my favorite YouTuber. This is the safe. I have this sit on the toilet for the safe. I'm gonna close that. Let's start our game. So we have to get in alleyways for the game. That's what we need. We need some guns. What else should we need? We need a axe. I'll say something like handcuff. Let's just go inside the alleyway. Oh my god. If I see somebody, they're going down tonight. I'm just gonna make this gun to a little bit more nicer. I'm gonna get this car and put it in black so nobody can not see it. Can I put it in black? Wait, yeah, yes. It's the 68. So we go to the alleyway. Come to mama. I got hurt. Guys. Because I got her. But I also got no idea what she wants right now. What? This is the perfect place to hide. So guys, I got her. And I got no idea where she went right now. Because I shot her with and she just left. Not left, she was dead on the floor that. And then I cannot see from it and shit like that. How do I should crawl to the top? I started 10 times. So how should do happen? I don't care about it. I don't even care right now. Boom, right there. I'm just gonna park right there. Wait. It's dark out here. Okay, dark is good for me. There's more trespassers. Just my house. That's my house. I can just run to my house if you guys ever have it. Whatever. I'm gonna go to the other alleyway. There's like a ton of alleyways. Like by the arc. Okay. Everywhere. Bro, can I just went like straight down? Call me. Be dead, come on. I got you. Follow me. Come on, I'm following you, 20. Oh crap, bro. You're dead. Yeah, guys, she's like definitely dead. You're supposed to be dead. Bro, I love killing people. Well, Claire gonna kill her. Come on, where is she? What is that? Is that a dead horse? It's a letter in my mailbox. Delete. Is that a dead horse? But I don't care. Probably because I ran over it. It doesn't matter. Bug. I'm gonna change this area. Oh wait, what? It was already like that. Party. So people can come and party. But you don't know, I'll be hiding in here. And then they get killed. That's that. I don't know my gun. I think the gun is actually way more better. Oh, just a ladder there. I'm gonna go to my house the rest of the night. A car is so far. Actually, no. Press that button. That's pretty so. I get the master bedroom.
Now, why are you laughing so loud like that? Auntie, why don't you hang up?
I'll keep you guys tuned. So guys, as morning as you can see, let's just do it easier. Wait, what? Oh yeah, good morning.
So annoying, dude. That looks so loud.
Yeah, I know. Good morning. I didn't want to change my clothes because I'm gonna be stinky. So I'll keep you tuned.